To switch between a Google Assistant and Gemini in Honor 600 Pro, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll all the way down and click on Google right here. Go to all services and scroll down until we find Search Assistant and Voice. Now you can select either Google Assistant or Gemini. So if you want to activate Gemini, click on it like that, and then you'll see a setup screen for Gemini. You can scroll all the way down and select Use Gemini. If you clicked on Gemini right here and you don't see the setup, that means your Gemini is already on, because here we have Gemini settings. You can also adjust them if you like. So to select Google Assistant, you will need to click on it right here, then scroll down and pick the digital assistant from Google and select Google Assistant to have it as your active digital assistant. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.